Hello everyone, welcome back to TechVenki. Today we will cover 10 important news updates from India and the world. This video is divided into three parts. So into the first part, it is related to the students, and the second part is related to middle age, and third part is related to older age. So now I'm going to the first news is big opportunity in government jobs. Good news for students preparing for government career. Several government departments, including DRDO and other organizations, are opening thousands of vacancies and internships opportunity this year. If you're preparing for GATE, engineer's job or research career, this year could bring many openings. Second news, new medical college in India. The government has approved over 11,000 MBBS seats and nearly 9,000 postgraduate medical seats for the academic year. Along with 43 new medical colleges are being established across the country to improve healthcare education. Third news, AI investment boom. The global technology industry is planning to invest hundreds of billions of dollars in artificial intelligence infrastructure in the coming year. AI has become one of the fastest growth technology in data science, machine learning, and cybersecurity. So there is a huge career opportunity for you. Fourth news is career opportunity after GATE. Experts say that a good GATE score can open many career paths such as MTech in top institute, PSU job, research role, PhD program, scientist position. So engineering students preparing GATE should stay focused because it can open multiple career doors for you. So our first part is going to be completed. So now I'm going to start for middle age people news. You also can students also can listen. It's really beneficial for you all. So fifth news is India expanding semiconductor industry. India is reportedly expanding its semiconductor manufacturing ecosystem. The government and private companies are investing heavily in chip manufacturing and technology research to reduce dependence on import. This could create thousands of high-skilled jobs in electronics manufacturing and electronics engineering sector. Sixth news, global tech companies investing in AI. Major global tech companies are expected to invest nearly $650 billion in artificial intelligence development. This investment will accelerate automation, digital service, and AI-based application across industries. Seventh news, energy supply concern. Global tension in West Asia are affecting energy supplies and transporting routes. Some LNG shipment to India may be impacted due to the disruption in major shipping routes. This is your third part of the news. The older age can more relate this news to them, and it is beneficial for students and middle-aged persons too. Report indicate major security developments. This is the topic. A report indicates several anti-insurgency operations in India where dozens of millions militants surrendered along with the large seizure of case and weapons. Next news, international tensions. Global geographically tensions continue to rise in some regions including West Asia. Political leaders are discussing missile strike and military actions which could impact international relations and global stability. Such developments can influence global market, energy supply, and international diplomacy. News 10. Sports leadership update. In sports news, the future of the Indian women's football team coaching staff is being discussed. Coach Amelia Valurede may continue as head coach depending on the review of recent performance. So this is the final decision will be taken after evaluation of football authorities. So here are the 10 important news for you three people to whom I had decided for making this video. So thank you for watching this video. I will meet with you from the next video. Thank you. Subscribe our channel.